Hey everyone, it's Shakitak here. I hope everyone's doing okay despite the pandemic. Just a small PSA. Hope everyone's doing okay, right? So here's some quarantine content, I guess. So today we'll be looking at iOS 13.4. Okay, so now it supports mouse and trackpad. So I have a Bluetooth mouse here. I don't have a trackpad, so I can only offer how is it like from the perspective of a mouse user. So this is an MX Anywhere 2S. So it's one of the good wireless mice out there, so it's very well recommended. So yeah, let's have a look. So how you pair the mouse is pretty easy, just like any other Bluetooth device. You just pair it with your mouse, like just pair it in. Once you're done with that, you can go to your general tab and you can go to trackpad and mouse and you can change your settings like tracking speed and all that. Okay, so once you're done with that, you can now experiment with some of the gestures. So basically, since the mouse only has one dimensional of input, like you're going to go up, down, left, right, so the gestures have to follow suit. So if you want to access the notification shade, you just go up and you keep going upwards. Boom, you have it now. Now you want to go to your control panel, you can go here, just keep going upwards and you can access it now. And multitasking pane, same thing. Okay, let's say I want to go to my note-taking app now. So it's very seamless, very well optimized. So it's pretty great. Props to Apple for that. They thought this through. So let's say you want to access your multitasking pane as well, you just do the same thing. You just keep going to your right. And okay, we don't have it right now. So you go downwards to access your dock. Let's say I want to open Safari. Okay, I'll have it as a floaty box. So let's say I want to hide it, I just go to your right, hide it. And okay, once you hide it, like let's say I want to make it show again, I'll just take the cursor, move it to the right again, and it shows. So we can see here it opens a Wikipedia page. Let's say I want to show you guys the new text selection feature, which is pretty cool in my opinion. It's one of the best features I can think of. It's probably like one of the only reasons to own a mouse, I think, or a trackpad for an iPad. You can do this. It's just so much more easier now. So yeah, that's pretty great. So I guess what are the cons for now? So the cons right now is basically that not all the apps support it. That's basically it. Developers will take some time. That's just how it is. So let's say I showed you guys Safari, it supports the new text selection feature, right? But let's say if I want to go to something like Google Docs, it doesn't support it right now. So soon they will support it. And next, I feel like a trackpad would have better gesture support. Like it's just nicer to use. You have your 5 fingers to interact with the screen. It just will probably feel better to use the trackpad. But the mouse is not a slouch either. It's pretty great. So yeah, overall, I think a mouse might be a great investment if you don't have a Mac computer. So if you have a Mac computer, I think a trackpad would be pretty nice as well. I feel like a mouse is overall a better choice because you can use it for your other computers. Like some Bluetooth mice, like they offer pairing up to 3 devices mouse like this. They're really good and I would really recommend it to add to your iPad setup. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope everyone's staying safe despite all of the things that are going on around this world. I hope all of this blows over as soon as possible and we can just go back to our normal lives. So yeah, thank you guys for watching again. I hope those who have an iPad or have an iOS device, hope you're enjoying your device. Hope iOS 13.4 has been great for you all. It has been good for me. I've been doing assignments and all, so it's been great. So yeah, thanks again. Share the video if you guys like it. And if you guys need a mouse recommendation, y'all can get the Logitech Anywhere 2S. If you guys want me to do a review of this, I can do it as well. It's a tiny one, but it's really good. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.